You are watching Supportdood YouTube channel. You can help prevent your computer from unauthorized use by using passwords. Once you set a password, a prompt is displayed on the screen each time you turn on the computer. Enter your password at the prompt. You cannot use the computer unless you type the correct password. If you have set a power on password, a supervisor password, or a hard disk password, it unlocks automatically when the computer resumes from sleep mode. Note, if a Windows password has been set, you will be prompted to enter it. Types of passwords: as many as 4 passwords may be needed for any desktop or laptops. Windows password, power on password, hard drive password, supervisor password can be called as BIOS password. Number 1. Windows password. You can set a Windows password to help protect your computer against access by unauthorized users. We always create either administrator or user accounts. Some easy recovery methods helps you to re-access your Windows system with no damage of the data. Number 2. Power on password. You can set a power on password to help protect your computer against access by unauthorized users. If you set a power on password, the password prompt is displayed on the screen whenever you turn on the computer. You must enter the correct password to start using the computer, setting, changing, or removing a power on password. Number 3. Hard drive password. The following 2 types of hard disk passwords can help protect the information stored on the hard disk drive. User hard disk password. If a user hard disk password has been set, but no master hard disk password has been, the user must enter the user hard disk password to access files and applications on the hard disk drive. Master hard disk password. The master hard disk password also requires a user hard disk password. The master hard disk password is usually set and used by a system administrator. It enables the administrator to access any hard disk drive in a system like a master key. The administrator sets the master password, then assigns a user password for each computer in the network. The user can then change the user password as desired, but the administrator still can get access by using the master password. When a master hard disk password is set, only the administrator can remove the user hard disk password. Number 4. Supervisor password, BIOS password. The supervisor password protects the system information stored in the ThinkPad setup program. If you have set a supervisor password, no one can change the configuration of the computer without the password. It provides the following security features. If only a supervisor password is set, a password prompt is displayed when you try to start the ThinkPad setup program. User may still access to the ThinkPad setup program when wrong password input or the enter key pressed without inputting password, but most of the options will be grayed out. The system administrator can use the supervisor password to access a computer even if the user of that computer has set a power on password. The supervisor password overrides the power. Your tips, reviews, and feedbacks are highly appreciated. For any suggestion, queries, any improvement, please drop your comments below. Thank you so much.